Have you ever wanted to create stunning images with just words? Welcome to the world of Stable Diffusion. It's an amazing tool that transforms your ideas into visuals. Today, we'll explore designing prompts, implementing techniques, and optimizing results. Start with crafting your prompts. Think of them as seeds for your images. The right words make a huge difference. Begin with clear, concise descriptions. Specify colors, styles, and elements. For instance, instead of saying a cat, say, a fluffy white cat in a sunny garden. Next, let's implement techniques. Experimentation is key here. Use various adjectives and explore different art styles. Adding modifiers can significantly change outcomes. Try words like futuristic or abstract for varied results. Before generating, consider your target image style. Do you prefer realism, or is surrealism more your vibe? Your choice dictates the final look. Now, let's optimize those images. Sometimes results need a little polish. Use post-processing tools to enhance colors and details. Adjust brightness and contrast for a more professional finish. Small tweaks can elevate your images to new heights. For a better understanding, visualizing can help. Imagine you're cooking a meal. First, gather your ingredients, then follow the recipe, and finally, taste and adjust. In recap, we've learned to design prompts, implement techniques, and optimize results. Now that you have the tools, unleash your creativity with Stable Diffusion. Take your new skills and try crafting an artwork today. You might surprise yourself. In the next video we will discuss about OpenAI guidelines and best practices. Stay connected with us. Thank you.